Say big up to Garvin, JAHJAH Foundation, Dr. Dixon. Listen to this, ladies and gentlemen. This that we're doing, I mean, a lot of people left, a lot of people came, a lot of people left, drop off their toys and leave. But I just want to say this. This is a very important cause. This is a even though we're here dancing and enjoying ourselves, there is people in Jamaica right now, don't have no clean water to drink, don't have no clothes, don't have no proper food. So what we're doing right now, trust me, you don't even know what it means. The little that you give, the little toy that you give for the kids, the little food that you're giving for us to send to Jamaica. Somebody is appreciating this right now. I want to say big up to my Reggae in the Park team for coming together with JAHJAH Foundation and putting this together and getting the Toyz drive together. I want to thank everybody for coming out. I got Dr. Dixon from JAHJAH Foundation that's here with me. Dr. Dixon, please say something to the Delaware people. This is Dr. Dixon. Dr. Dixon was just honored by the Prime Minister of Jamaica, was honored JAHJAH Foundation. JAHJAH Foundation stands for Jamaicans Abroad, helping Jamaicans at home. You didn't hear, JAHJAH Foundation stands for Jamaicans Abroad, helping Jamaicans at home. Dr. Dixon.
Big up yourself, Mega. I'm original dancehall man, so this is the right place. I'm home, so. We apologize for being so late. We picked up a lot of stuff today, and we come from Brooklyn, most of us, so we know, say, you know, we party late, so this is kind of early for us. But on a serious note, you know, how good and how pleasant it is to be amongst them, you know. And JAHJAH Foundation, we've been around for a while, and we just broke out, as them say, you know, because last year we went to St. Elizabeth, Hurricane Beryl, and you can go online and see the stuff that we did down for Hurricane Beryl, and lo and behold, this year Hurricane Melissa came, and the media was looking online to see which organization they can trust to go to Jamaica and help the people down in Jamaica, and when the reporter come to me and I said to the reporter, yo, how to find me? And I'm saying, we go online, we see the work you do, you know, and just job blessing, you know. So, thank you guys for doing your toys and things. Right, big up DJ Shaq, big up Mega Chain, big up the whole Delaware crew.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, big up my sister in there, Sue Yen, I don't see her, where is she?
There it is, Sue.
One love, one family. Brooklyn in the house, Jersey in the house, and Sammy, Delaware in the house. And I can't thank you guys enough. And just follow the link, follow JAHJAH Foundation. You know, so we're there for Reggae in the Park, right?
Yes.
We're gonna be there, start and we don't stop, right? One love, yeah? Pick up yourself.
Greetings to all you people out here in Delaware. Thank you very much again for all you do for the JAHJAH Foundation. And thank you very much for always supporting the people of Jamaica, because when it all goes down, this is what we do, we love, we support, and we keep it going. Thank you again.
You know, a lot of people say, you know, why are we doing toys for kids and the people that must suffer, and you know, why give them toys? You know, we send everything to Jamaica. We send lumber, we send zinc, we send food. And we say, remember the kids, you know. Remember when you was a kid, you know, Christmas time come in Jamaica, and no matter what, you want a little one toy, you know. And you get a little one toy, just take you away, just go to your own world. And so we know, despite all of this despair that's happening in Jamaica, the kids want some toys, because that's how kids are, you know. So that's why we say we're going to do toys and things, and we do joy through toys. That's our motto, and we want, you know, we stop fight for Jamaica, and we don't stop fight for Jamaica, and just do it thing.
Shaq, what you say?
Yo, listen, most of all, thank you once again, JAHJAH Foundation. But we want to thank all of you right here for coming out and supporting the movement. Like we said, it's not for us, it's for the children of Jamaica. And we couldn't do none of this without you. So once again, thank you very much. Dr. Dixon, please keep doing everything you're doing for the people. All right? One love.
I wanna take this special time out to thank all the DJs for coming through tonight, spinning their segment. Spraga, Stunner, Hess, Evolution, JB, DJ Chucky. If I forget you, did I forget anybody? Mega Skills, big up yourself. Again, I want to thank everybody for coming out tonight. Whatever donation you made tonight, it don't matter, big or small, everything counts. So I'm saying this to say that this is an important cause. This is to help people in Jamaica who has lost everything. Just imagine if you lost everything, would you want somebody there for you? That's how important this cause is. So the little that we have tonight, whatever it is, the toy drive, the money, everything, it goes to JAHJAH Foundation to helping the kids and the people of Jamaica. They need us now. So thank you all for coming out. Dr. Dixon, nah lie. I'm a virgin this. People don't, me and Dr. Dixon, man, sure. I'm not about to say nothing but big up yourself, Dr. Dixon. Garvin, thank you, everybody, JAHJAH Foundation. On behalf of JAHJAH Foundation, I want to say thank you, and we're always here for you, Dr. Dixon.
Big up all the DJs and big up the whole Delaware crew.
Yes.
Father, bless our land. Guide us with thy mighty hands. Keep us free from evil powers. Be our light through countless hours. To our leaders, great defender, grant you wisdom from above. Justice, truth be yours forever, Jamaica, land we love. Jamaica, 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 land we love. Me love Jamaica, me not say love. They try to do it so we can't fly. But when we like Jamaica, we spread fruit and banana. Under the tree with a glass of lemonade, jumping at the river when the rain is fading. No boy can't buy me up, me no foreign man, you know we come to Jamaica. Jamaica love, you wanna feel Jamaica love. Everybody wanna visit Jamaica, Jamaica love.
So big up everybody who come out tonight. All looking for support the Tingz for a good cause. So all Jamaicans, all island people, guess what? Yeah. I miss it. See the mix of us with the thing called. Everybody sing it out, you know. Them tune your nursery rhyme tune. Let's sing the nursery rhyme tune. You ready? 1, 2, 3, yo! I miss it. I miss it. One more time, sing it out again. Ready? I miss it. Give thanks and bless the Lord. time. When we talk about love, we talk about peace, love and unity. We talk about clean hearts. You don't grudge nobody. I'm gonna say,
let's get together and feel.
sing it out. Nurse your rhyme, Joe.